Today we're showing you a 2017 John Deere 3033R tractor, a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere H160 quick attach front loader. The tractor has 33 horsepower. It has the full cab with the heat and air conditioning. The tractor only has 20 hours on it. This was traded in from a fellow who simply bought this tractor and realized he bought too small of a tractor, so he traded this back in on a larger tractor. ZR4 bar tires, 2 doors in the cab, and again it's got the heat, air, radio, all that good stuff. 3-point hitch, 540 rear PTO, drawbar, top link are all with it. And again, the loader is quick attach. The bucket itself is quick attach as well. Paint's like new, comes with the balance of the factory warranty. Inside of the cab looks new. The whole tractor looks new, quite honestly. Again, only 20 hours or approximately 20 hours. 3 range hydrostatic transmission. It's got the load match, motion match, and speed match over there to the right. Hydrostat pedals down below. You've got the dual pedals up top, heat and air conditioning controls, sun visor, rear view mirror. Has the radio up here to the top left of the cab. This tractor's priced to sell. Compare this to a new tractor and you'll save quite a bit of money here. And again, this tractor has between 20 and 30 hours on it. It's like brand new. If you have any questions, please contact us.